Since I'm always talking about my volunteer position in Gibraltar at the little garden oasis, today I'm going to show you what I have going on here at my house. I have some seedlings started and I'll show you each thing that's already come up. It's the end of March and our growing season is just starting and the seeds seem to be doing pretty well. Here the zinnias have popped up. They're so cute. I've got 2 more bunches here. And then these just came up today. These are marigold seeds. And I'm trying a new thing this year. I just sprinkled marigold seeds in here, covered them with soil, and I'm gonna see which ones take and grow, and then I'll trim the bad ones out. The little trimmings that I just planted, we'll see if those grow roots. These are green beans, so they're coming up, and I have them out on my front patio so they can grow up, vine up the bars here. This one is my favorite. This is a little lemon tree. I grew this from a seed. Jose's aunt gave me a few lemons and I took a few seeds out, and this is the one that survived out of the 3 or 4 that I had going. And she has a few new leaves on it this year. So this is one of my favorites because it's a lemon from La Linea, and I planted the seed and got it to grow. And this one is my favorite. A little water. This is a seed from an orange. I sprouted it. And then I put it into once it grew roots, I put it into one of those root cubes. And now I have a little baby orange. That is my Mediterranean garden here in the south of Spain. Last year I grew zinnias from seed in the pots and they grew really well. So I'm hoping for similar results this year. Zinnias are probably one of my favorites because I think they grow really easy. They like the heat in the sun, in the Spanish sun here, and marigolds do well too. Next on the agenda, we'll probably be getting some tomatoes and cucumbers and hopefully vining those up the wall of the patio at the Spain house. Hopefully we'll see that the garden continues to go well here in the south of Spain. Thanks for watching.